We're just launching our International Investment Atlas here at MIPIM, and that registers the global investment activity, especially during 2015. And we're predicting that globally there's going to be $1.34 trillion invested in commercial real estate during the remainder of this year. That's going to be global, but I've particularly focused on London. And last year, 2014, the investment volumes equaled 2007, which was the peak of the market. So we're talking over 20 billion. And in London, in particular, in the city, 80% of that is international investors. And in the West End, that's 60 to 70%. So overseas investors completely dominate the London market. In particular, the new entrants are the Taiwanese life insurance companies. Fubon and Cathay have been making investments of 2, 3, 4, 500 million. Very big investors out of a relatively small economy. And that's because the Asian investors have huge saving rates, and they're now applying those through their life companies into international markets. So starting in London, and then going through Paris, Frankfurt, and then into Madrid. So there's a huge emphasis with global capital coming through, which is going to set to continue all the way through 15 and even through 16. The property fundamentals in the London market are absolutely sound. We've got low vacancy rates, we've got strong tenant demand, and we're predicting that because supply is limited for the next 2 or 3 years, rental growth is going to continue all the way through for the next 3 to 4 years. So the property fundamentals are fine, and international investors are wanting to come into a sterling-based real estate asset, keeping it out of the euro, because there's a lot of risks attached around what's happening in the Eurozone.